video, I am going to discuss about speed and velocity, the two important terms under this chapter portion. What do you mean by speed? Often your friends will insist, your teachers will insist, hey, don't go in this much speed. You will insist your father to go with the greater speed while you are traveling in your car during weekends. Am I right, children? So what do you mean by speed? Yes, speed is the distance travelled per unit time. Very good. What do you mean by speed? It's the distance travelled per unit time. In 20 minutes, how much distance is covered by an object? In 20 minutes, how much distance is covered by the car? How much distance will the rocket cover to reach the space? Okay. So, speed is an important derived quantity we are going to discuss here in this video. It's the how we can define speed means using formula. Speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. Usually, yes, we see under uniform and non-uniform motion, speed always won't be the same for an object. That time, if it is in the case of non-uniform motion, we have to calculate average speed. Okay? We are in the need of calculating average speed if it is in the case of non-uniform motion. So, that time average speed is equal to total distance travelled by total time taken. What's the unit for distance? Yes, meter. And the unit for time is seconds. -1. Okay. Let me see with an example. An object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds and then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Yes, I told here the object cover non-uniform motion is in non-uniform motion. It covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time. So what will we do for finding out the average speed? So average speed equal to total distance travelled. Here the total distance travelled is 16 meter plus 16 meter. I am doing the sum here. Distance travelled is equal to, that means total distance travelled is equal to 16 meter plus 16 meter equal to 32 meter. The total time taken is 4 seconds plus 2 seconds equal to 6 seconds. Applying the values in the formula, average speed equal to total distance travelled by total time taken. So 5 times it will be 30. You can keep a decimal here and afterwards you can add 0. So 20 will become 20. So 3 times again it will become 3. So that at the end we have to write the answer is 5.33. At the end we have to write the unit. Yes, it's m is power -1. So this is the answer for this question. Now we are going to discuss about the term velocity. Since how distance is involved in speed, the term displacement is involved here in velocity. What's the formula for calculating distance? Yes, it's the total distance travelled by total time taken. Here, if you see, speed of an object in a given direction is known as velocity. So, the term given direction came. So, here displacement is involved. So, the formula for finding out the velocity is displacement by time taken. Total displacement by total time taken. So, the speed of an object can be uniform or variable. The motion of an object can be uniform or variable depending upon the speed and the direction of motion. In that case, if the speed is in uniform motion, we have to calculate average velocity. Okay, so that time average velocity is equal to v plus u by 2, where v is the final velocity and u is the initial velocity. Okay, and we have to divide it by 2 for finding out that average velocity, that is AV, VAV equal to v plus u by 2. So, the unit for displacement is meter and time taken is second. Since it is displacement by time taken, the unit for velocity is ms minus 1 or meter per second. Same like that of speed. Thank you.